In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a creative Canva poster. We'll start right from the Canva homepage, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're there, look towards the top right area of the screen for the button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for almost any project in Canva, and it opens up a menu of different design options and sizes. When the search bar appears in that menu, type in the word poster. As you type, Canva will suggest different poster sizes, like standard posters or specific formats. For most situations, the standard poster option works well, so choose that. Selecting poster tells Canva to open a blank canvas that's sized correctly for a typical printed or digital poster, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. After you select the poster format, Canva will open a new design tab with a blank white page in the center. This is your workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical panel with different options such as templates, elements, text, and more. To make the design process easier and faster, we're going to start with a template instead of building everything from scratch. In that left-hand panel, click on Templates. This will open up a large gallery of ready-made poster designs. You can scroll through the options, or you can use the search bar at the top of the Templates panel to narrow things down. For example, you might search for event poster, sale, school, or any theme that matches what you're creating. Take a moment to browse and find a layout that feels close to what you need. Once you find a template you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically apply it to your blank poster, replacing that empty page with the chosen design. From here, you can make it your own. Click on any text to edit the words, change the font style, or adjust the size and color. You can also replace images by clicking on them and choosing new photos from the Elements or Uploads tab. Spend a bit of time adjusting the colors, text, and images so the poster matches your message and branding. When you're happy with how everything looks, you're done. You've designed your own creative Canva poster using a professional template as a base.